Have you ever felt like your life is stuck on repeat? You try to change, but end up falling into the same patterns again. Maybe you've gone through failures, breakups, or lost opportunities, and you wonder if life will ever get better. I've been there too, and here's the truth. Change is possible, but it doesn't happen with one big move. It happens through small daily habits, proven by science, that slowly but surely rewire your brain. In this video, I'll share 17 powerful habits that can transform your life if you commit to them. Let's dive in. Number 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Your brain loves rhythm. When you wake up at the same time, your body's internal clock, called the circadian rhythm, becomes stronger. This means you'll have more natural energy, better focus, and even deeper sleep at night. It's not about waking up super early, it's about consistency. Number 2. Practice gratitude. Most people start their day thinking about what's missing in their lives. Gratitude flips that. Writing down 3 things you're thankful for each morning trains your brain to focus on opportunities instead of problems. Over time, this habit makes you more optimistic, resilient, and even healthier. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise isn't just about looks. Moving your body boosts dopamine and serotonin, which are the happy chemicals. Just 20 minutes of walking can lift your mood, sharpen your focus, and reduce anxiety. Think of it as a mental upgrade, not just physical. Number 4. Read every day. Reading is like feeding your brain. Even just 10 pages a day might not feel like much, but it compounds into hundreds of pages every month. New knowledge gives you fresh ideas, better decisions, and a wider perspective on life. Number 5. Limit screen time before bed. Scrolling on your phone at night tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. The blue light blocks melatonin, making it harder to sleep deeply. Try reading a book or journaling instead, and you'll notice how much better your mornings feel. Number 6. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts gets them out of your head. Instead of replaying the same worries, you process them on paper. It's like free therapy. You understand yourself better and reduce overthinking. Number 7. Meditation or mindfulness. Even 5 minutes a day can calm your nervous system. Meditation lowers stress hormones, improves focus, and makes you more present. You don't need to be a monk, just close your eyes, breathe deeply, and notice your thoughts without judgment. Number 8. Set small, achievable goals. Big goals often feel overwhelming and lead to quitting. But when you break them down into tiny steps, every small win builds momentum. Over weeks and months, these small wins add up to massive progress. Number 9. Learn to say no. Every yes you give takes time and energy away from your own goals. Learning to say no politely is one of the most powerful forms of self-respect. It creates space for what truly matters. Number 10. Practice deep work. We live in a world of distractions, notifications, social media, endless noise. Deep work means dedicating focused, uninterrupted time to one important task. This is where real creativity and productivity come from. Number 11. Surround yourself with positive people. The people around you influence your mindset more than you realize. Negative people drain your energy. Positive, driven people inspire you and push you higher. Choose your circle wisely. Number 12. Eat mindfully. Food isn't just fuel for the body, it's fuel for the brain. Sugary junk makes you tired and unfocused. Whole, balanced meals give you stable energy and sharper thinking. Pay attention to what you eat and your mind will thank you. Number 13. Daily affirmations. What you repeat, you believe. Affirmations aren't magic, but when you consistently tell yourself positive truths, like I am capable or I can handle challenges, your brain builds new neural pathways. Over time, your self-image shifts. Number 14, spend time in nature. Nature resets your brain. Just 20 minutes outside lowers stress hormones, clears mental fog, and boosts creativity. It's a natural antidepressant, and it's free. Number 15, limit multitasking. Multitasking feels productive but actually slows you down. Your brain has to switch back and forth, which wastes energy. Focusing on one task at a time makes you faster, more effective, and less stressed. Number 16, practice kindness. Doing something kind, even small like holding the door or sending a kind text, increases your serotonin and dopamine. Kindness doesn't just help others, it literally makes you happier. Number 17, never stop learning. The world changes fast. People who keep learning new skills, reading, and challenging themselves stay adaptable. Lifelong learners are the ones who thrive, not just survive. So here's the truth. Change doesn't come from motivation alone. It comes from habits. If you apply even a few of these 17 daily practices, your future self will be unrecognizable, stronger, calmer, and more successful. Now, here's what you should do. Hit that subscribe button right now. Not for me, but for yourself. Because this channel is all about giving you the tools and science to build the life you deserve. And in the comments, tell me, which one of these habits are you going to start today? I'll reply to the first ones, and together we'll build a community of growth.
And don't forget that your future self is waiting for the hero you become today.